Hi and welcome to SFX60, your go-to source for quick, practical Salesforce solutions in under 60 seconds. My name is Aria. At SFX60, we simplify complex Salesforce problems with smart tips you can use right away. No fluff, just results. Let's jump into today's solution to help you work smarter with Salesforce. Ah yes, the sacred spreadsheet. You gave them real-time dashboards, and they're still copying and pasting into Excel. Let's move them into the future. Use dashboard subscriptions to email fresh data every week. Schedule reports with preset filters so they only get what they need. And for quick wins, add list view charts they can filter right on the fly. Once they trust the platform, they'll stop exporting. Ditch the spreadsheets. Deliver the insight right in Salesforce. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more 60-second Salesforce solutions, and drop a comment with your questions or topics you'd like to see next. Remember, this is a high-level solution to help guide your approach. Deeper configuration may be needed for complex scenarios. See you in the next one. Stay sharp with SFX60.